Hi everyone, it's Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. And I have neglected to share the Christmas Time is Here suite with you. I haven't even played with it until today. I got a card from my upline, Sarah Wills, and it's just beautiful. And I wanted to show you how you can use it in a couple of different ways that are not Christmas. But first, let me show you the suite. Here is the stamp set, Christmas Rose. Absolutely gorgeous. It comes with this die cut, the roses dies. This is the piece that we're going to use on today's project. And then here is the designer paper, which you get 4 pieces of each design, and they're double-sided. So this piece with the gold foil etching around the roses, and here's the back of it. There's this one and that side. I love these swirls. I can't wait to use the swirly embossing folder with it. I think that'll be a super fun project. And then here are these beautiful roses with more gold and this pretty, let's see, oak green paper. So let me show you what else comes with it. You get these really pretty gold glimmer dots, enamel dots. I used a few in this, which this is really cool. You could get this half and give it as a little gift to someone, or give them the whole thing. Actually, that's really sweet too. It comes with this gold shimmer ribbon, which I don't know if the video shows the shimmer, but it's absolutely beautiful. And let's see, it comes with this bracelet, which it has a little Stampin' Up! Tag on it, and then the gold rose. And I love the box that it comes in. That's kind of a gift itself, I think. And I feel like I'm missing something. Did I show you? Yeah, I showed you the stamp set and the dies, the enamel dots, the paper, and the bracelet. I guess that's it. Okay, so let me move this stuff to the side and let me show you a couple things. This is the card that I received from my upline, Sarah, and it's just gorgeous. I absolutely love the early espresso with the cherry cobbler. Would work with Mary Malo. It's just so pretty. And look, she didn't make a Christmas card. So today I needed a little Christmas or a little birthday box. So I wanted to use this set. So I took one of our gold foil boxes and just folded it. And then I cut a strip of, let's see, this one is 3 inches by 10 inches. And this one is 2 inches by 10 inches. And I just put some tear and tape on each end and then wrapped it around so it's not adhered to the box and it will just slide off. Well, of course, because it's on video, it's not going to just slide off. But in theory, maybe I did it a little too tight. I'll have to loosen it up a little bit. And then I used the shimmer ribbon. And what I did was I just tied it around the box and I tied it in a half knot, and then I just laid some other ribbons, the polka dotted tulle, and then this one I have not used yet. It's the let's see, what's it called? Woven Threads Trim. It says it's Sahara Sand, but it doesn't look like that Sahara Sand tan color. It looks more green to me, so I thought it went great with this. And then I also wrapped some linen thread and laid it on top. And then I just tied my bow around all those those ribbons, and kind of drew it together. Next, I took the die. Where did I set it? Right here. And I cut 2 of these. I cut one in Whisper White, and I cut one in gold, so I could layer the tags. And I stamped just the rose image and some leaf image, and then I put some gold glimmer enamel dots on there. Now for the sentiment, I wanted to show you how I made that. The sentiment is actually from, because the set doesn't come with a Christmas or a birthday sentiment, I used the Botanical Bliss Happy Birthday sentiment to make this card. And how I did this shape was I just used my punch, and after I stamped it, it works, you need to stamp it first because that'll show you where your words are at, and I should have done that, but say my words are right here. So on one end I just cut it like that, and then I turned it around, and the words are here. And voila, you have this cute little tag, which I just attached with dimensionals. Isn't it beautiful? It's such a beautiful set. I can't wait to play with it more. There's just not enough time in the day, but I wanted to show you again that you could use it for way more than just Christmas, although it's very beautiful for Christmas as well. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will have this project and the card of still photo of the card that Sarah made me, and some of my other favorite projects that are made with this suite from other demonstrators. I'm going to put those on my blog so you can see all the things that you can do with this suite. It's really an awesome suite. So anyway, thanks again for stopping by. Oh, my blog is Scrap Happens Here with Darla.com, and you can go there for lots of inspiration. Find me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss another YouTube video, or Tuesday's tip video, I should say. Anyways, have a great evening, and I will see you next week with Tuesday's tip.